Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Teresa Phillips here from Redeem and Renew Skin Solutions at redeemandrenew.com, sharing with you why I have lovely skin at my age. Yes, I've just washed my face with the organic face wash, and now I'm taking my lactic acid exfoliating pad and I'm going over my face. Oh yes, because I need to smooth it out and take some of the dead stuff off. Especially when lately I've had a lot of makeup on. You can tell my face was clean. And then I'm going to take a warm washcloth. Believe it or not, I have one here. And I'm just going to wipe my face. Oh, that feels so good. Feels so good to have a facial. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use what we call the Brightener Serum. This has vitamin C in it, which is really fantastic. And we just love it. It brightens the skin, hydrates the skin. Look at that, just simple. And our products, when I make them affordable. This extra large package, because this is 1.5 ounces. It comes in a 1 ounce. It comes in a 1/2 ounce. Now I'm going to get that wet again in warm water as much as I can stand it. I'm going to put it on my face. Hi. Hope everybody's doing great out there. Because I'm steaming my face with a clean cloth. And I'm doing this because my skin needs to open up and take the product. Oh, that feels so good. Now I'm going to put that back in the cup, and I'm going to use the next serum, which is our Calmer Serum, which has lavender and chamomile in it. And my little dog is down here watching me do this. She just got a bath. Now she's watching me. I always start on my forehead, get into the crow's feet, under the eyes, around the mouth, and don't forget this part back here. This is where age shows. And then I always do the back of my hands. So I'm going to take that cloth again. You can hear it. Rinse it out, and with very warm water, you're going to put it on your face again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going around my eyeballs because it needs it. At my age, you need all the help you can get. Now I'm going to take the last serum. And this is hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is really good for plumping up the skin, smoothing out fine lines, hydration. I love it. And I'll tell you what, you can even run it through your hair. We have a couple salons that are using it. They said it's fantastic for people who have extensions in their hair. It's really a real great detangler when people who have extensions wash their hair. So now I'm doing it again. I'm getting a warm washcloth. Ooh, that's warm. Feels good though. Going on my face again. Oh yes, hello. Hope everybody's having a lovely day. Oh my gosh, yes, it feels so good. And getting up in there, getting under my chin. Yes. Now you can do this on your neck and décolleté. I'm just not doing that for now. And then I take the greatest face cream you're ever going to use. It's the Anti-Wrinkle Royal Glow. Love it. It's got rooibos in it. It's got shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter. It's got a proprietary blend in it. It's got the glory in it. And I'm going to put that on my face. And I'm going to have a good time putting this on my face. It feels so good. Don't forget these little areas here. And you know, you need to put moisturizer on your ears. Yeah. Because if you feel it, you'll feel how dry they are. We don't know it until we try. And there you have it. In just those few minutes, you have given yourself a full hydrofacial at home that is good for your skin. And in the box, you have your brightener, your calmer, your wash, your Royal Glow moisturizer. Hang on, Miss Birdie girl. My dog wants to get up here. And if I can get this thing open because my hands are wet. I'll just do it this way. Yep. Lip balm. Our lip balm has been sent to about 36 countries. All around the mouth. You look hydrated. You feel wonderful. And I do this every night. Every single night. And it takes only just this few minutes. So go to redeemandrenew.com and look at the ProGlow Spa Kit and check it out, because I think you're really going to like it. Look at this hydration. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, it's lovely. Look at that. Yep. God bless you. Bye.